Hi guys, a long time we haven't talked about Ghost immobiliser. We just today fitted brand new Audi Q7 straight from factory really. We haven't been talking for a long time about this system, so let's see what's changed really with the Ghost. Not much, protects the same way. This is brand new vehicle. As you can see, it's only 160 miles on the clock, and yeah, it works almost the same way as before. You can see all the fingerprints only from, it's a bit shiny. Right, so now we're just pressing the start button, ignition comes up, and we have to put a sequence which I use the door buttons. You will see in the indicator will confirm the pin is correct, and it lets us start the car. Okay, so now the system takes about 30 seconds to rearm again. Let's wait and try to show you what's happened when you don't put a code. We have a problem at the moment. The Audi dealer VW Ghost actually is thinking to stop install any security system to those vehicles until they solve the problem with warranty. Whatever happened to the car, doesn't matter if you fit dash cam or tow bar or any extra security system, they can avoid your warranty. They try to do it to blame anything happen, even DPF filter on the car. They try to blame second, third part installation. So far as I know, all the insurance company will be decline all the insurance if you don't have extra system fitted to those VEG platform, because it's very easy to steal them. So what's happened next? If you buy a new vehicle, the insurance will tell you you're gonna fit something extra, or we're not gonna insure your vehicle. So that's what an Audi will be probably having very soon. Decide to fit extra alarm, or customer will not buy them vehicles. It doesn't matter if they like it or not, but they don't want to have stolen within the first week. So we get into the vehicle, because I was been talking too much. We're not putting any pin code, and we try and start the car. Car starts and dies. And some faults will come up as drive system fault and all extra. So what we have to do, turn ignition back off, turn ignition back on. I'm using the button on the door, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 presses, different buttons. System indicator, confirm that is disabled, and we can start. Now ready to go. So the system is pretty the same, works the same way. Obviously the car is changing, more electronic, more software adaptation or adjustment, and uploading of new software which produce more faults for additional alarm systems or security immobiliser systems, or even anything is attached to CAN bus system. But we're still fitting them, and we've got some tricks what you can bypass before you go to the dealer. So if you still worry about your vehicle and you want to fit this, doesn't matter what main dealer wants, it's up to you. We're not pushing anyone, but I think it's still the best to protect your vehicle than having issue with warranty or not having warranty at all, or lose your vehicle. Thank you for watching R2 Diagnostic, and see you soon. Thank you for your time.